Are you ready for a life-changing journey? Welcome to Body Transformation in 30 Days, where we'll unveil the secrets to rapid and healthy weight loss. No need to sacrifice your favorite foods. It's all about effective diet menus that work wonders in just 1 month. In this video, we'll guide you through a transformative experience, helping you achieve your fitness goals without compromising your health. Say goodbye to crash diets and hello to sustainable results. But before we dive in, let's witness the incredible transformations that real people have achieved using our 30-day plan. Their stories will inspire you, proving that change is not only possible, but also within your reach. Now, let's talk about the core of our program, the effective diet menus that will fuel your journey. We've carefully crafted a balanced and delicious meal plan that accelerates your metabolism, promotes fat loss, and boosts your overall well-being. Our menus include a variety of nutrient-dense foods, ensuring you get the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs. And the best part? You won't feel deprived. It's time to enjoy the journey to a healthier you. Of course, no transformation is complete without a bit of movement. We've incorporated simple yet effective workouts into our plan, enhancing your results and making the process enjoyable. Remember, this is more than just a 30-day challenge, it's a lifestyle shift. By the end of this journey, you'll not only see a difference in your body, but also feel a positive change in your overall well-being. So, are you ready to embark on this incredible 30-day body transformation? Hit subscribe, click the notification bell, and join us on this life-changing adventure. Let's make your fitness dreams a reality. See you in the next video.